I don't really know what comes next, I'm just doing my best.
What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Xiaomi Smartband 7 Pro. Yeah, I have been using this one for a while and I'm in love with this one. Actually, I didn't like Xiaomi Smartbands. Those are too small for me, and I know, yeah, those are affordable, but I have never liked those because I have access to a lot of different smartwatches. So I have been using other smartwatches, not Xiaomi bands, but when Xiaomi has released this Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro, I was so excited I wanted to buy one. And yeah, I have bought this one. Xiaomi didn't send it for free. I had to buy this one and I'm super satisfied with this one. I have already unboxed it and used it for a while, but I have recorded the unboxing part, so we are gonna start from unboxing, then we will check the application, we will check its features, how it performs in real life, and then we will come to a point where we can get the verdict. But before everything, one request. If you find this video helpful, if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. Well, let's start from unboxing, but before that, how much does it cost? This one costs around 400 RMB. After discount, I have bought this one for 370 RMB, which is equivalent to $55 US. If they release this one in global market, this one will cost around 60 to 70 US. That's I guess. If this one goes beyond 75 US, then I think this one will lose its appeal. Okay, before we do the unboxing, let's check some features. AMOLED screen, 100 plus sports modes, GNSS, 24 hours blood oxygen monitoring, 50 meters waterproof, and night mode, sleep time monitoring, a lot of different watch faces, NFC, yeah, Xiaomi's smart AI or assistant Xiaoai is also available. Very long battery life. They didn't mention how long, but it says very long battery life. All these things are written in Chinese because this one is actually at this moment a China only product. The model name is M2140B1. This one comes with 235 mAh battery, supports any smartphone which runs on Android 6.0 or above, and then iOS 10 or above. Wow, this one supports Bluetooth 5.2, 5 ATM waterproof. So yeah, we can wear this one and go swimming. Well, let's do the unboxing. Inside the box there is a user manual, but it's in Chinese. One more time, this is a China only product. This is our Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro. Let's put this aside, and there is a USB-A to proprietary charging cable. Wow, this is a bit different than Xiaomi bands. This one is premium quality. It clearly says when using the band for the first time, connect it to the charging cable to turn it on. I have bought this white colored one because I prefer the color white. There are many other different colors. I will try to buy all those and then do a review or comparison between the colors. This one is TicWatch 3 Pro Ultra, and this one weighs 57.1 grams. On the other hand, Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro weighs 31.3 grams. So yeah, definitely this one is lighter than any other smartwatches. Let's talk about build quality, appearance and design. I definitely like this design, and appearance is also very good. It's not like this one has a better design language or very unique design language. This one is pretty similar to many other watch bands like Huawei, Honor. They have similar design, but this chrome accent around, this one looks so very gorgeous. This one gives it a very posh and elegant look. Not only that, underneath this, this part of this smart band will always touch the skin, and this part is very important. Yeah, this part is very smooth and offers comfort. I really don't know how to express my feelings. This one is super comfortable and yeah, also looks very fashionable. This watch band is actually a TPU silicone watch band, and there are some plastics here and there, but it doesn't look that cheap. It looks premium. It has an elegant and posh vibe, which makes it a bit different than others. Wow, the moment I have connected this charging cable with the smart band, this one got powered on. Okay, now it's time to pair this Smart Band 7 Pro with my smartphone. I'm not gonna use my Xiaomi 12s Pro or Xiaomi 12s Ultra because actually I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra as my daily drive, so I'm gonna use that one. After you open the application, it says time to tone up, Mi Fitness, new design. Start, you have to give Bluetooth access, location access, and access to activity info. Select and agree to those. Select your region. As I live in China, okay, it's China. Classic or simple? I prefer the classic one. You can also change your profile character. Wow, I like this profile character. Now sign in to sync your device. I'm gonna sign in via SMS. Okay, after I have signed in, let's add this device. Add a device, permission required. Okay, here is Xiaomi Smartband 7 Pro. Let's click on that. Connecting. Do you want a pair? Yeah, I want a pair. It's paired. Well, I'm a bit worried whether there is any English or not. Okay, now I have already given notification access. I also want to select which applications can send me notifications. There are a lot of applications. I think it's good enough. WeChat messages and Alipay done. Wow, I have to give access to a lot of things. Straight out of the box, there is an update available. Let's download the update and update our Smartband 7 Pro. Let's see how long does it take to get it updated. Okay, Smartband 7 Pro is already updated. Let's check the application first. The first thing you will notice is band displays, then app notification, incoming calls, background permission, heart rate, sleep, blood oxygen, stress, standing. There are applications, then you can select cards, weather, camera, widgets. Sort your applications, layout, sleep mode, password, Me AI, optimize voice recognition, help center, update, about device. Well, first check the band displays. There are 5 local displays which you can change on the go, but if you want something better, yeah, there are quite a few other band displays. I prefer this one. I think this one looks the best. Let's see how it looks. It actually takes a little while to download these watch faces or band faces or band displays, whatever you call it, to your Smartband 7 Pro. Wow, it looks nice. It really looks gorgeous. This Smartband 7 Pro comes with an AMOLED panel, so there is always on display, and like you can schedule the always on display from morning to night, or whether you want it or not at all. Yeah, here goes that always on display. It really looks very nice, and yeah, I like this. One thing about this display panel is, as this is an AMOLED panel, you won't see the chin. Yeah, there is a chin and a little bit of bezel around this Smartband, but you will never notice it until you try hard. Now you can see there is a little bit of a chin, but the bezels are not that big. If you want to change the watch face on the go, just click on the display panel and there are these preset watch faces. If you want to customize, then you can use this one. There is a customize option. You can select between steps, calories, standing, moving, heart rate, blood oxygen monitoring, stress monitoring, battery life, date and time, weather, and UVI. I would prefer to go with heart rate. Well, here it is. Well, if we swap left to right, then there is a panel which contains alarm, raise to wake, settings, find your smartphone, and flashlight. If we swap from right to left, then Xiaomi voice assistant is there. If we swap top to bottom, there is notifications. If we swap from bottom towards up, then yeah, there are all the applications and features. There are a lot of training modes. Then there is activity, calories, steps, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring. Let's try this blood oxygen monitoring. It's measuring 95%. You can even select whether you want it to be active for all day, like 24 hours or not. You can select continuous monitoring, high heart rate alarm, or low heart rate alarm in heart rate monitoring. Then there comes sleep time monitoring. You can also do advanced monitoring in sleep time monitoring, which actually drains a little bit more battery than usual. Then there is this stress monitoring. Let's measure it. I'm a bit stressed these days. Wow, it seems it's gonna take a bit of a time. It says 44 mild. Okay, my stress level is mild, and yeah, we can select 24 hours all day monitoring. Let's turn it on. Then there is breath test. There is Xiaomi voice assistant, weather, cards, calendar, events, then music, camera, alarm, focus. Like if you want to focus, you can select timing and then, well, you can start it. Then there goes stopwatch, timer, flashlight, find your phone. These two are actually China only. This is Alipay I mean, you know AliExpress, so Alipay is like a payment method from AliExpress. This one is WeChat, one of the mostly used messenger in China. And then this one is to pair your smartband with your smartwatch, and this one actually generates a QR code to pair this smartband 7 Pro with your smartphone. And finally there is settings, band displays, display. You can select whether you want either auto brightness or your desired brightness level. Only to record this video I have selected brightness level 3, but usually I choose auto brightness. After brightness there is auto lock. I have selected 20 seconds to do this video, but usually I use 10 seconds. Here there is always on display. I have selected all day, but you can select scheduled, smart, close, covered to sleep, raise to wake, vibration, default or strong. I prefer default. I don't need that strong vibration. There is DND. If you are doing any training or exercises, it can auto detect that, and you can select app layout, icon mode or list mode. I prefer icon mode. Pin, I don't need it. Inside system there is reboot, turn off, reset, and finally about band. Well, that's all about this Xiaomi Smart Band 7 Pro. This is my quick review and first impression. I'm super satisfied with this one, and I've ordered 2 more of these, one for one of my employees and one for HTD Squad. Yeah. If you are subscribed to this channel, if you are a regular viewer of this channel, then you know what is HTD Squad. To win this giveaway, what you have to do is to make a comment with hashtag HTD Squad and let me know which feature, option, or actually what do you prefer or like about this Xiaomi Band 7 Pro. I will select one comment based on my affinity, but please don't make spammy comments, make detailed comments, and then it will be easy for me to select a winner. Well, it's time to wrap up, and if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to this channel.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts, but something